Hi, Miss. My name is Denise Vareja from BSN 1 A15 in Southwestern University. Before we start our interview, I'd like you to kindly introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Johanna Richelle Balili, and I'm also a first year student at studying dentistry at Southwestern University.
Okay. So, what type of lifestyle do you have at present?
My lifestyle is like a mix of staying active and focusing on my studies. On weekends or in days where I'm free, I use that to exercise in our house or play badminton. At the same time, I'm diving into my studies, learning about dental science, and getting used to college life.
Okay, so why did you choose this kind of lifestyle?
Personally, living an active lifestyle has done wonders for my stress levels, especially with the demands of studying dental medicine. It's like a mental reset button that keeps me focused and motivated.
Okay. So, what was your turning point that made you realize to engage in physical activity?
So, there was a semester in high school where I felt overwhelmed and exhausted all the time. I decided to start going to the I decided to exercise regularly, and it was like a light bulb that went off. The more I worked out, the better I felt both physically and mentally. It wasn't just about losing weight or getting fit. It was about finding balance and managing stress.
And lastly, as an exercise enthusiast, what words of encouragement will you give to a person with no interest in engaging physical activity?
I'd say to start small and find an activity you genuinely enjoy. Exercise doesn't have to be intense or time consuming. It can be as simple as taking a daily walk or dancing to your favorite music. The key is to find something that fits into your life and makes you feel good.
Okay, so thank you for answering my question.